we are in southern Manitoba, August 2012, thrashing wheat. There's some other people sharing the field. One cat, I think it's the largest cat you can buy. I'm not sure what the number is. 385 bushel tank, 40-foot header. Got to adjust here for that ditch. Being unloaded right now. Two gleaners coming up the field here to my left. 30-foot headers. And I think the cat's got a 40-foot header. I'm on an R72, Gleaner R72. Got a 30-foot header. And grain's coming in nicely. We have, for this 50 bushel an acre crop, one guy on a cart, which is keeping him going pretty good. He's doing well, keeping us all going. Looks like he's done there. Two gleaners coming up on my left. We hope to have this 160-acre field done here fairly soon. Carry on to another one. Here's the next one's about a 200-acre field. It's a good year. Great year for cereals. And I think a great year for corn here in Manitoba. There's drought everywhere else, but this has proven to be an excellent year for farmers over here. Few ditches in this field, but not bad. Still feeding good. Crop looks good. It's all pretty even. Feeding in real nice into the combine. Of course, then going to the back to the tank. Pretty good load for the engine in here, right to max. Going like 3 miles an hour. Keep it going pretty good. It'd be kind of fun to figure out how many bushels per hour we're doing here, but somebody with the time and a pencil and paper could probably figure it out real easy. It's doing a little bit better. It's doing about 6 miles an hour with a 40-foot header. So it's filling its tank, the 385 bushel tank, pretty quick. At the end of the field, getting ready to turn around.